have to change the fairings I ordered from Amotopart. Will that fit right on my bike? Let's find out. So let's give some context. I bought the new fairings from Amotopart because the previous owner of my bike just broke the front and the tail. He was just managing to get off from a parking lot and he just hit the wall. I wanted to change the damaged parts with the original ones from Yamaha, but they cost lots of money, like 500 to 600 euros each. And I need to replace actually two, so probably the cost is gonna be like above 1,200 euros. But I found a Amotopart and I found out that they sell a set of fairings only for 600 euros. So I obviously decided to go for that direction. If you're not familiar with the Amotopart services or you're still unsure whether to trust them or not, check out my unboxing video here while I share my experience. But if you already decided to buy from them, don't forget to use my affiliate link and save 10% with my coupon in the description. All you need to do is click the link, choose your fairings, enter needle wing before checkout, and you're good to go. You're welcome. Now let's install the fairings. It's gonna get a lot of time, so let's use magic here. Et voila! Let's go put the fairings on. I was looking for on the windshield, and I don't know, this is the one that Amotopart gave me. It's just black, and the one that I got from Yamaha, the original part, is transparent on the top part and black on the bottom with Yamaha logo. And I don't know which one of those install. They are slightly different. This is just, the original part has just a curve and the Moto part has a more complex design. Both are very resistant. I don't know which I'm going to install. I think I'm gonna go for the black one because I never had a black one. I don't know. What do you think looks better? This or the original one? Let me know in the comments. In the end, I chose black because I never had a black windshield, so why not giving it a try? If I decide to keep this black windshield, I think I'm gonna buy a Yamaha logo here, which you can find on the original. Let's talk about the conclusions. So overall, the components are pretty good quality. I didn't need to make extra holes or something. It just fit almost perfectly. It's not perfect in some points, in some part of the bike, but overall it is pretty good quality, and I think it looks fantastic on this bike. And as I mentioned, I keep the black windshield, and I prefer to use the black side parts here instead of the green ones that came in with the box. Also, there are some imperfections here on the cover, but because it is a cover and it is not actually a substitute to the tank, so obviously you're gonna have some imperfections here. Not very visible actually. You have to go and look very carefully. I think I'm gonna keep this and just temporarily, and then I'm gonna use the front part of the tank and keep the original tank in the back, but maybe I'm gonna use a vinyl wrapper here. It's gonna be black because this green is, I think it's very hard to find, and actually
green that actually matches like perfectly. So I think I'm gonna go for black. And I think Amotopart did a great job, and especially for the price and the quality of the component, which are very robust and easily comparable to the original parts. Very flexible. I didn't need to make extra adjustments. Great job, Amotopart. Good product, good service. And if you want to change your fairings or something, I suggest you Amotopart. No question, no doubt about it. And this is it. And thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.